gentlemen of YouTube. Guess what? We got fucking snow today. Yeah, basically I showed you like a little clip of it, and probably after the video you're gonna see some more. But anyway, yeah, pretty heavy snowfall for like where we live. It's already up to 4 inches. We still got like another few hours of this. But yeah, it kind of made me happy to see this, because like we don't get this a lot here in Mississippi, so yeah, it's kind of a privilege to even have something like this. Plus, this is like the first time in like a long time that we've had like this much snow. A lot of limbs are breaking over there. It's kind of bad. But yeah, sorry I haven't posted like any actual vlogs. This is probably my first one, like since the one where I talked about like songs and all that. By the way, I am doing more songs and stuff, like that one I posted the other day, The Edge of Extinction. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing more like that probably, but I'm trying to cut down on that, go back to my original like roots of Raging Rooster, like do what I actually need to do, like just to keep my channel organized until like what my whole purpose was to begin with. Anyway, yeah guys, this is like pretty good stuff. Basically, if this was on Christmas, that would have been perfect, White Christmas. Yeah, man, this is like awesome. Damn, oh god, the snow, oh shit. Be it for today, you guys. Maybe another vlog later when I'm out actually in the snow or whatever. I have been out, but I just on the porch. Anyway, later you might see a video, maybe you won't, I don't know, it's all up to me. But anyway, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to keep the channel growing. Raging Rooster out. I'm gonna leave you off with some music and some snow pictures.